ask. Sticking on your backstage pass, all access, cause you bad. You could go wherever with that ass. Show to the shower, to the truck to the
Alright you guys, so I have my ball cap on my head. I did not do a ball cap method. I just put on my ball cap and put some makeup on it because we're doing a closure week, so we don't have to do all that today. This is the wig that I will be installing from Alipearl hair. I did some hot dog curls, like some barrel curls. I used this curling iron and I just curled it going away from the face. I did it off camera. I plucked it, I bleached it. I plucked it and bleached it. I put it in the middle part and I used some of my olive oil ORS just to sleek it down, girl. If you guys want to see my process on how I prep my wigs on my mannequin head, you guys can check out this video. I'll put it in the eye so you guys can check it out, but I didn't include it in this video because I didn't want it to be too long. But yeah, so I'm just gonna put some makeup on the inside of my lace and then we're just gonna get to installing. I think I'm gonna use, I don't know which adhesive I'm gonna use because I'm going on vacation in a couple days and I had to install a different wig for vacation and we have to be giving the girls a water wave or something. So this is only gonna be for work for the next 2 days. But yeah guys, I'm gonna go ahead and put on the makeup and put the wig on my head and let's just get into it.
2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beam? Too early, maybe later, you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit Windy City. Did I see? No, 30 degrees, way to go, so hold me tight. Will I see you at the show tonight? Will I see you at the show tonight?
Hey. Truck to the plane, to the truck to the hotel lobby. Me, I go through underground garages, presidential suite on deposit, elevator up to the room, shower up and then we hit the club. Touchdown, gotta see what's up. Area code in my phone. What numbers do I still have? Who do I know from the past? Hit one, she say she got a man. Hit another one, it goes green. Must've changed foes on the team. Remember when you let me in between? That was 2017. All good, chuck a look around, find one that seem my type. Damn, my dog and he know what I like. He done found me plenty in my life. Problem is I meet a girl tonight, then I go and treat her too nice. Galleria credit card swipes. I don't even know if she a wife, but I do know one thing though. Women, they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday, Monday through Sunday, yo. Maybe I'll love you one day, maybe we'll someday grow. Till then, I sit my drunk ass on that runway, on this one way.
2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beam? Too early, maybe later, you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit Windy City. She blowing me kisses, no. 30 degrees, way to go, so hold me tight. Will I see you at the show tonight? Will I see you at the show tonight?
Jury in the safe on arrival, pistol on Jay for survival. A lot of people gunning for the title, a lot of people trying to take us viral. I'm just trying to have a nice night though. Waiter brought a check for the meal. She said, babe, I think that was a typo. Nah, girl, I got it, that's like though. I can show you bigger things than that. It's gonna be a minute till I'm back. Let me get you images that last. Amex had a limit in the past. I had plenty women in the past. I done plenty sinning in the past. You don't need to know, but you could ask. Sticking on your backstage pass, all access, cause you bad. You could go wherever with that ass. Show to the shower, to the truck to the club for the party. You go in first with your girls, cause I don't know who's out there watching. But I do know one thing though, women, they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday, Monday, Sunday, yo. Maybe I'll love you one day, maybe we'll someday grow. Till then, I sit my drunk ass on that runway, on this one way.
2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beam? Too early, maybe later, you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit Windy City. She blowing me kisses, no. 30 degrees, way to go, so hold me tight. Will I see you at the show tonight? Will I see you at the show tonight?
Why I'm not with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You'll try to come back when you faint. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not bad. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You wanna hear me up when you make it. You'll try and come back when you're famous. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not basic. You wanna get with me, stop. Those on this side, those over on this side. Hey, told me about all your insecurities for what? Drag me like 2 hours to your family's house for what? Said you need some time, but I should stick around for what? Always felt like sticking around's the same as being stuck. That's that shit that drives me crazy. They're like guns with the aching, yeah. Getting under my skin. Pretty little young thing. Had a nigga convinced, got me too excited. Yeah. You play me. You play me.
You might have to rise before this can't be our first time. We might have to run before we stay official. I'm looking for some things that you gotta share somebody.
All right, you guys, this is the completed look. This is what we came up with. Guys, don't play. Do not play with Alipearl. Like, what's really good? What's really going on? This is really giving frontal to me. I feel like this is how I would style my frontals. It looks so good. It looks so natural. You know, just make sure you keep your little swoop to the side. Make sure you keep that and make sure you cover them tracks. But other than that, y'all, this wig is bomb. Let me stand up so that you guys can see the full length of the hair. I curled it so it comes to like about here, so like waist length. But this hair is so freaking bomb. Alipearl is one of my Rob stamp of approval brands. I love working with Alipearl. Their hair is always super good quality. The knots lifted beautifully. Like, guys, just look at that lace. Are y'all dumb? Like, are y'all really crazy? Look at that HD lace. And I love how the parting space goes back so far. It's a 5x5 closure, so you get 5 inches of parting space in the front and 5 inches of parting space going back, which gives you a really deep part and just makes it look even better. I love a good deep part in my units. So yes, guys, this is an easy, quick middle part bust down. Super cute, super easy. I'm gonna be spinning the block on this wig like all the time because I have an internship and it's like an office type of job. job. So I need stuff that's quick, like Sunday reset. I need to be able to do my hair quickly and then be ready for the week. And so this is what this hair gives me. I love how the curls came out. Everything is super, super bomb. Like, I am so excited. I am so excited. It looks so good. Like I showed you guys before, I curled it using this curling wand and I'm really happy with how the curls came out. I wish I would have like shown you guys, but I didn't do layers in this hair really. I just took the very front. I like sectioned off the very front and just cut just the front pieces just so I could have something right here to frame my face. I don't think that I'm going to do too much layering to this wig. I think I'm just gonna leave it the way it is because I really like the way it looks. But yeah guys, I have nothing but good things to say about this wig. I really don't have any cons on this particular wig. You guys want to purchase this wig from Alipearl Hair, go ahead and use my coupon code. If it's not up on the screen, it will definitely be in the description box below, so go ahead and check that out. Let me know what you guys think about this unit and I will see you guys in the next one.